is what the final squishy looks like. And I'm so proud of this one. I absolutely love how it turned out. I think Kirby looks extra cute on this star. I just thought I'd add a little something extra to it. And by the way, it's up to you if you want to make the star out of felt, or you can make it out of sponge. I was originally going to do that, but then I just didn't have the patience, so I decided to make it out of felt instead. This is really squishy. And really smooth as well. I'm really happy with how the shape turned out. The arms are also quite slow rising. And again, here's a close-up of the face. I absolutely love how the face turned out, because I was just so nervous about painting it on. Like, I was just so nervous about messing it up, but thankfully I didn't. Yeah, I think it looks exactly like Kirby. Also think the colours turned out really good as well. I really love this pastel pink colour. And again, you can make yours whatever size you want, of course. And also you can paint on whatever expression you want as well. And yep, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching. And I really hope you like this squishy. Again, I'm just so proud of this one. I think it just turned out so adorable. And by the way, I've never actually played any of the Kirby video games, but I do find this character to be very adorable. So yeah, and I'm really glad that I was able to recreate it in a squishy form. And again, just very relieved that I did not mess up on the face. So yeah, I really hope you liked it, and please click thumbs up on this video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And also please go and check out my Etsy shop and my Instagram, which are both linked in the description box below as always. I'd really appreciate it if you go and check those out as well. And again, thank you so much to Spookwaffles for requesting this tutorial. And as always, please feel free to request any more squishy tutorials you would like me to do in the comments below, because I would love some more ideas. And yep, that's it. So I really hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.